Hi there. Welcome back to the Equity Trust Virtual Classroom. I'm John Bowens. Joining me again today is James Schlimmer of Equity Real Estate Services and IRA Title Pro, which is a self-directed IRA-friendly title company that helps self-directed IRA investors close self-directed real estate transactions faster and in a much more streamlined fashion. So again, James, thanks for joining me in the studio today to share with our audience private money lending tools available through IRA Title Pro. So why don't we go ahead and jump right into the demo?
So here's kind of what investors have asked for, right? And at least what we've heard from investors. Anybody that's lending money, they're using their IRA and they're loaning money out. In some cases, some of the investors are kind of what I would call doing this willy-nilly, where they are not really ensuring the security interest they have in that property. In some cases, they don't even know how many liens take priority over them. What happens if that borrower defaults? What number? Where are you in line of getting paid? Are there unpaid taxes on that property? Are there unpaid homeowners association liens on that property? There's a number of kind of ghouls and goblins on a property that we would identify. And essentially, all you need to do is head over to IRATitlePro.com. And we're going to show you where that is. And when you do that, under services, private money lending, it will take you right here. And essentially what we're talking about is private lenders title insurance. And this is having our team of real estate closing specialists, our title examiners, literally look at that property, make sure that before you fund the deal, you understand, is there anything crazy on title? I say crazy, I say ghosts and goblins, but if there's anything, is there a first mortgage, a second mortgage? At least you need to know prior to loaning that money. Are there any liens? And we will even insure the loan funds that you're lending. So if you're given a $50,000 loan, we will issue that your IRA, a lender's title insurance policy for $50,000. And we will vet everything. And we will make sure, more importantly, John, everything is recorded, transfer taxes are paid. And you could say every T is crossed and every I is dotted in your transaction, making sure it's done right. And again, we'll even insure the transaction. So all you need to do is head over to IRATitlePro.com under services, private money lending, and you'll have a chance to start right here if you want to send us your order. And you just fill out the information that comes right to us, and a real estate closing specialist will reach right out to you.
So what I'm hearing, James, is just like a bank, if they're lending on a property, they're going to obtain a lender's insurance policy.
Correct.
Lender's insurance title policy.
Correct.
And as a private money lender, it would be encouraged to consider that. Now,
Absolutely.
We can't tell investors that they should or shouldn't purchase a lender's insurance policy, but if that's something that gives them more peace of mind and more comfort sleeping at night, knowing that they are making loans on properties very similar to the same process that banks are lending on properties, that likely is going to give them a sense of peace of mind.
There's a reason why major banking institutions require lender's title insurance, right? And the reason is because they conduct thousands of transactions every single day, and claims come up. Now, if I'm lending money, all I really want to know is have an understanding to make sure, okay, how is my interest in that property secure? And the only way to be 100% secure is by having my funds insured with the lender's title insurance policy. And that's having our team vet the property, go through, and we'll even issue the policy at funding. So making sure everything is done the correct way.
Okay. Well, thanks again, James, for joining me in the studio today. For everyone out there, again, it's IRATitlePro.com. You can check it out in the notes below as well. Until the next video training, keep leveraging compounding interest in the absence of taxation.